Fitbit Sense Advanced Health App. The pros, the cons. Most people use fitness trackers to count steps, but the Fitbit Sense goes far beyond that. It's built to monitor not just your movement, but your mind and body too. From stress management to heart health insights, this device aims to be your all-in-one wellness companion. So, is the Fitbit Sense really worth it? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Fitbit Sense is packed with advanced health sensors. It tracks heart rate, skin temperature, SPO, and even electrodermal activity to detect stress levels. This makes it one of the most health-focused smartwatches available. The app delivers personalized insights through its health metrics dashboard, showing trends in stress, sleep, and recovery. For example, you can see how your breathing rate or oxygen levels change over time, great for spotting patterns before issues arise. Fitbit Sense also shines in everyday usability. Battery lasts around 6 days, and it supports Google Assistant, Alexa, and smartphone notifications, combining health tracking with smart convenience. Its sleep tracking is among the best, giving detailed scores and suggestions for better rest. Now for the cons. Some advanced features, like detailed health insights and readiness scores, require a Fitbit Premium subscription. Use accuracy can vary slightly during runs, and while it's feature-rich, the interface may feel cluttered for beginners. In conclusion, the Fitbit Sense is ideal for anyone looking to connect physical health with mental well-being. It's more than a smartwatch, it's a stress monitor, heart health assistant, and sleep coach in one sleek device. If you're serious about holistic wellness and don't mind a small subscription fee, the Fitbit Sense offers incredible value. But if you just need a simple step counter, it might feel like overkill. Still, for those who want deeper insights into body and mind, Fitbit Sense truly delivers.